Meaning of disguise.
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 Disguise. Disguise refers to the act of changing one's appearance or behavior in order to conceal one's true identity or intentions. The result of a successful disguise is that the person is able to blend in with their surroundings and avoid detection. Disguises can take many forms, such as wearing a mask, using makeup, altering clothing, or adopting a different accent or persona. The ultimate goal of a disguise is to deceive others into believing that the person is someone or something else, thus allowing them to carry out their plans undetected.